أتذكر كل شيء قاد أجمل وأحسن، بس بعد شغلة شهر يعني صار الحروب فوقنا وتعرفين الحال صار مو زين قاد، وانقطع الأكل عنا وصار البرد.
Joining us now live from Damascus. And Fred, we've obtained some disturbing video from ITV News, and I wanted to let our viewers know that the video is graphic, including images of dead women and children. But we do believe it's an important part of telling this story.
This video that we have obtained, which, as you said, is absolutely gruesome, which apparently was shot in the Zamalka district, seems to show people who are on the ground purportedly having been killed by a chemical weapons attack.
But after their revolution, Tunisians refuse to stay silent.
3 years on, the protesters are still out on the streets of Tunis, and so are the riot police, and they're still shouting "dégage" in French. That means leave.
Wildlife experts believe the rapid deforestation of the region is endangering the future of orangutans and other tropical animals.
Mr. Morsi's supporters from the Muslim Brotherhood had been camped out in this square and say snipers fired on them.
There have been gun battles and heavy shelling for a second day on the streets of South Sudan's capital, and despite claims of a coup, many experts are asking if this fighting isn't the result of rivalry between the country's two major tribes, the Nuer and Dinka.
The police have now broken down the barricades here at what is the very heart of the anti-government protest. They're now pouring onto Independence Square, and the protesters are powerless to stop them.
The whole situation, the whole economy of Britain, it depends on having access to reliable and sustainable sources of energy. It is it is a highly advanced economy, highly depend on the manufacture structures and infrastructures in the country, and this all is driven by oil and gas. So having a reliable source is absolutely vital. That's why we see more interference and more intervention in the areas of the Middle East.
Of the 4 million Syrians that are affected by the conflict inside Syria, 2 million are children. Half the refugees are children.
World leaders have agreed to do more to stop terrorists getting their hands on nuclear weapons. The US, China, Russia and India have all signed up to the agreement at a top-level nuclear security summit in Korea.
Men wearing army uniform have attacked the gates of the Yemeni Ministry of Defense.